button.
So should I start?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Hello everyone. A very good evening. So today's my topic is SAP. So let's know what is SAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products and Data Processing. SAP is best known for its enterprise resource planning system, which integrates various business functions like finance, human resources, procurement, supply chain, and customer relationship management into a unified platform. In simple language, we can say SAP brings everything together into one system, making it easier for companies to manage their work and make better decisions based on real time information. In short, SAP is like an all in one tool that helps businesses to run more efficiently. History of SAP. SAP was founded in 1972 in Waldorf, Germany, by five former IBM employees. The company's initial focus was to create software that could help organizations manage their business processes more efficiently. Over time, SAP evolved from a small software company into one of the largest and most important global players in the enterprise software space. So we saw the ERP. So let's know what is ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a type of software that helps organizations to manage their business, operations, and resources more efficiently. It integrates various functions and departments within an organization, providing a single platform for managing and analyzing data. There are many industries like which were served by SAP, like finance and banking, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, public sector, telecommunications, utilities, and many more. So, in finance and banking, SAP provides solutions for financial institutions, banks, and insurance companies. In healthcare, SAP offers solutions for healthcare providers, payers, and life science companies. In retail, SAP provides solutions for retailers, inventory management, and supply chain management. In manufacturing, SAP offers solutions for manufacturers, including production planning, quality management, and supply chain management. In public sector, SAP provides solutions for government agencies, including financial management, human capital management, and procurement. In telecommunication, SAP offers solutions for telecom companies, including network management, billing, and customer management. In utilities, SAP provides solutions for utilities companies, including energy management, grid management, and customer management. What are the advantages of using SAP? The first advantage is integration. SAP integrates all aspects of a business to improve data consistency and streamlining business operations. Second one is real-time data processing. SAP, especially with SAP HANA, processes data in real time, offering businesses up-to-date insights and improving decision-making. Scalability. SAP can scale to support businesses of all sizes, from small companies to large global enterprises. Customization. SAP offers a high level of customization to meet the specific needs of different industries and business processes. And security. SAP provides robust security features to protect sensitive business data. Version. Let's see what's the SAP version. The first version, which came in 1973, that is SAP R1. This is the first ever SAP product with a one-tier architecture and a real-time data processing capabilities. Then the second version came in 1979, that is SAP R2. a mainframe product with a two-tier architecture designed for end-to-end business applications. Then it came on 1993, that is SAP R3, an integrated software solution for client server and distributed open systems. Now the modern SAP versions, like latest version is SAP ERP 2006, a comprehensive enterprise resource planning software with various modules, including financial accounting, controlling, and human capital management. And SAP S4HANA 2015, this is the latest ERP offering from SAP, built on the SAP HANA in-memory database for real-time transactions and analytics. So SAP is not a word but pronounced as an individual letters SAP. Thank you.